Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to edit avatar in Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then give your sign-in details and sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like chats, stories, your old conversations, search bar, create a new message, and menu. Tap on menu, then go to settings. Under settings, once you scroll down, halfway through the screen, you can find avatar option. There you can see two options. Tap on edit avatar. There you go. Here you can edit your avatar, change its appearance, its hair, eyebrows, facial hair, even skin tone, your body type, alter your jawline, eyes, eyelashes, nose, lips, makeup, and from the store you can change your closet. Once you select the appearance and closet, all you have to do is go to top right corner and tap on save. Then select save. After that, your avatar will be updated. And guys, that's it. That's how you edit avatar in Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.